Before starting today's video, I would like to clarify a few things. Firstly, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So, it's not going to be some free cash. You will have to put your efforts, and earn money honestly. Secondly, towards the end of the video, I will be talking about a free educational resource, that will give you very useful tips to become self-employed online. So, be sure to watch the video till the end. You will not be disappointed. Now, let's get started. Today, I am going to tell you about QRCodeMonkey.com, and how you can earn a side income of $1,540 on a monthly basis. QR Code Monkey is a website, where you can create an unlimited number of QR codes, and all that for free. If you do not know what a QR code is, let me explain. Basically, a QR code is used, where a person has to send a bulk of data, to his customers or friends. If this huge amount of data, is sent as it is from one device to another, a lot of time as well as memory is consumed. A much better way, is to compress this data, by embedding it into a QR code, and then send this QR code to your customers. When the recipient scans the received QR code, through his mobile phone, he gains access to all the embedded information. This makes the management of data easy, and non-complicated. You can embed email addresses, website links, phone numbers, text, social media links, and much more into QR codes. QR Code Monkey is a Germany-based website, and it is absolutely genuine. The best feature of this website is that, it never asks for any type of registration fee from you. Now, you might be thinking that, you would have to be greatly qualified to design QR codes. Well, you couldn't be more wrong. A 12-year-old child, a young adult, a grandma, anyone can design QR codes. It's that easy. All that you need, is a PC, laptop, or a mobile phone, and you are good to go. First of all, we will learn to create QR codes on QRMonkey.com, and then, discuss, where we can sell our QR codes, and earn a decent income. This is the website where we will be designing our QR codes. Now, as you can see, QR Code Monkey provides us a variety of options to embed into a QR code. These include emails, phone numbers, SMS, YouTube links, URLs, Facebook links, Twitter links, and much more. So, you get an awesome variety of options, and all of that for free. First of all, I will be choosing a YouTube link to embed into our QR code. Okay, here we go. I have pasted the link of my YouTube channel here. Since the default black color of the QR code looks pretty dull and way too simple, let's learn to change its color, and make its appearance more appealing to the customers. As you can see, we have three options here, namely, single color, color gradient, and custom eye color. Let's learn to use these color features one by one. As the name suggests, this feature paints the QR code into a single color. Now, let's see how it works. I am going to set the color to bright blue. To see all the changes done, just click the Create QR Code button. It looks pretty good, right? But only a single color QR code is not going to bring you much earning. So, if you want to increase the price tag of your QR codes, be sure to learn the very next feature. So, let's keep moving. Color gradient feature paints the QR code with a combination of two colors. Let's see how. Our first color is already set from the previous feature of single color. Let's set the second color. Now, let's update the changes to our QR code. We finally see a beautiful blend of two shades of blue. This feature helps your QR code to stand out of the crowd. There are two types of gradients. We have seen the first one. Now let's see the other. As you can see, this blend of colors looks much better. So, let's choose this color combination for our QR code. Before proceeding any further, let's know something. These box-like structures are known as the eyes of the QR code. It has two parts. The outer square is known as the iframe, and the solid colored square, on which I am pointing, is called the eyeball. We can manually change the eye color of the QR code by ticking the option named Custom Eye Color. The first color option, where my cursor is pointing right now, is for the iframe, and that makes the second option for the eyeball. Now, let's set the colors for the QR code's eyes, and see how it modifies the appearance of our QR code. All done. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, it looks much more beautiful and appealing than before, doesn't it? If you want to give a professional look to your QR code, then it's very important to include the company's logo in it. A company's logo on the QR code can increase its reputation among its customers, and in return, the company will pay you well. As you can see, QR Code Monkey provides an inbuilt library of logos to us. However, if you want to add your own logo to the QR code, then just do this instead. The look of our QR code has entirely changed, and it looks much more professional than before. Now, let's make our QR code even better, and beautify it even further. After adding the logo, now it's time to see a feature that can upgrade our QR code to a whole new level. Its name is Customized Design. Let me just scroll down a bit. Here, we see three options, namely, body shape, iframe shape, and eyeball shape. I'll be discussing them one by one. Now, what we are going to do is, to try out 2 to 3 body shape designs, and observe closely, how the appearance of our QR code changes in each case. So, without any further delay, let's begin. I like this design much more as compared to the others. So, let's keep this one. You can try out other designs, while creating your own QR codes. Let's try changing the iframe shape of the QR code now. Like body shape, I will be trying out only 2 to 3 iframe shapes. But, be sure to check out the rest. Let's choose this iframe shape for our QR code. It's time to proceed to the third option now. After setting the iframe shape, let's select a good eyeball. Let's see, which one should I choose first? Let's try one more design. I will give this one a try. Yup. The combination of the iframe and the eyeball looks perfect now. We have done each and every step to design an incredible QR code. Now, all that we need to do is to set the quality of our QR code and then finally download it. The best part is that, even for the highest quality, the QR code will always be free to download. All that we need to do is to slide the pointer to set the quality of our QR code. You can select any quality, and it's all for free. And that's the reason that I am going to choose the highest quality possible. Our QR code has been successfully downloaded. There is a quicker way to design a QR code. Let's discuss that next. Now, let's discuss another way to design QR codes, which is much shorter and simpler than the previous method. As I mentioned earlier, there is an alternate way to design QR codes, which is much faster than the already discussed technique. QR Code Monkey contains its own set of pre-designed QR code templates. All you need to do is to select one. As you can see, there is a library of cool templates available here. They are free to use. Let's try this one out. I will be embedding the URL of Google into our second QR code. If you want to add a logo, or customize the design, that is absolutely possible. The method will be the same. Let's now set the quality, and download our QR code. This method of QR code designing is much faster, and better than the previously discussed method. Our QR codes are ready. But the question is that, where to sell them, and how to make a genuine income. The solution to our problem is Fiverr. Fiverr is an Israel-based company/website, where people all over the world sell their services, and get paid in return. The best part is that, Fiverr does not demand any type of registration, or joining fee. All its features are absolutely free to use. Fiverr works fine on laptops as well as mobile phones. So, you can use any of the devices to access Fiverr. But what about the earnings? How much can one really earn on Fiverr? Let me take you to the website, and show you. Let's visit Fiverr. I have already logged into my account. If you are a first-time user, create your free account first. It's very easy. Now, I will be searching for all the available jobs related to QR code. If you are seeing $5 jobs, don't be disappointed. This is the minimum price for a job. The prices can reach much higher. Let me show you an example. As you can see, the prices have risen. Actually, the $5 jobs offered minimum services. That's why the prices are this low. However, if you increase number of services that you offer, you can even raise the price tag to $100. But, how do we know that this person gets work? Simple. Take a look at the 5-star rating given to this person. This means that people have purchased his services, and are happy with his work. Now, let's learn how to advertise our own QR codes on Fiverr. As you can see on the screen, there is a variety of QR code advertisements published by different people. Such advertisements are called gigs. We are now going to see how to design such gigs, free of cost. Now, it's time to learn how to create our very own gig on Fiverr. If you are designing your first gig like me, click the option, Become a Seller. Otherwise click the option, Switch to Selling. Now, click this button. Here is a brief breakdown of instructions while making your gig. These are not important to be read. So, if you want to read them, it's fine, otherwise, just skip them by clicking Continue and proceed to the next step of gig designing. For the next 2 pages, simply click Continue. Here, you will have to enter your personal information, like full name, profile picture, etc. I have already filled this page. So, pause the video, and complete this step. Once done, let's proceed further. At this point, Fiverr will ask you to enter the details like, jobs that you are willing to take, your education, certifications, etc. Once it's completed, click Continue. Now, link your Google and social media accounts with your Fiverr account. It's not compulsory to connect all accounts with Fiverr. Click Continue. At last, you will be asked to verify your email and phone number. Once done, click Finish. All that you need to do now is to click on the Finish button. If you couldn't understand any part of step 1, just comment, and I will help you. First of all, we need to provide an appropriate title for our gig. Let me show you guys an example. As you can see, it's compulsory to start your title After the words, I will. Be sure to write something relevant to your job, just like this. One more thing. Please do not write the exact same words that I have written here. This might make Fiverr think that a single person is operating through multiple accounts. As a result, Fiverr may ban your account. So, be original while writing your gig title. Now, we'll select a category for our work. I'll be going with the first option of suggested categories. Let's now enter the search tags through which people will be able to find our work. All that we need to do is to write the phrase and hit enter. That will create a tag. Once done, click Save and Continue. This is the step where we will be setting the prices for our QR code services. And we will be doing it right here. First of all, we need to unlock all the 3 packages. Once I unlock them, I will get 3 packages, namely, Basic, Standard, and Premium. The number of services that we will offer to our customers will increase as we move from the basic package to the premium package. So, the basic package will have the least price, and the premium package will have the maximum price. Now, let's name our packages. I have said it before, and I will say it again, please do not copy my writings. Same goes for the package names. Don't use the same names that I am using. Next, we will be writing about the services that we will offer in each package. Remember, the number of services to be offered should be minimum inside the basic package and maximum inside the premium package. So, let's get started. Now we will be setting the delivery time for the ordered QR codes. For a good customer experience, I suggest 1-day delivery time. The lesser your delivery time is, the more number of customers you can receive. Our next step is to set the number of revisions that we are willing to do. Suppose your customer wants you to make a few changes in the QR codes after the delivery. How many times are you willing to do those changes? Never set zero number of revisions in any package. You should be willing to make at least one revision. This number should be higher for standard, and the highest for premium package. Let's set the price tags for our packages. Since our basic package offers minimum services, let's set the price to $5. For our standard package, the number of services is more than those offered by the basic package. So, let's set it to $25. Since we offer maximum services in our premium package, the price should be the highest. So, I will be setting it to $100. If you want, you can provide extra services to your customers through My Gig Extras. Since there is no use for it right now, let's skip it. Since our product is digital, we are not eligible to select this option. So, let's leave it as it is, and proceed towards saving our package details. In step 4, Fiverr asks us to give a brief description about our gig. I can't stress it enough, be original while writing your description. Let me show you guys an example to write a description. Yeah, this will do just fine. So, take your time, and design an appropriate description for your QR codes. Remember, it is highly necessary to assure your customers that you will provide them the highest level of quality in your work. This will help you to gain their trust. Now, before moving any further, there's a very important thing that you need to see. Let's scroll down a little bit. Take a look here. The minimum character limit is 120 characters. However, I have written only 111 characters. So, let's add a few more words. All done. I have surpassed the minimum word limit. Now, all that we need to do is to scroll down and click Save and Continue. In this step, we will specify all the information that is needed to be submitted by the customer. A simple example is the URL link that our customer wants us to embed into the QR code. My first requirement is the URL link. Click the Add button. Click right here, if you want to add another requirement. Let's add one more, and then, we are good to go. Once done, click on Save and Continue. The moment has come, when we finally upload our QR codes on Fiverr. It's pretty simple. All that you need to do is to click here. Now, we will be selecting the image of our first QR code. Let's repeat the same process for our second QR code. We don't require a gig video, as well as gig PDFs. So, we will be skipping them. At last, just click on Save and Continue. Finally, let's click on Publish Gig. And once it is done, our gig will be alive. Now, we will see where to find this gig of ours on Fiverr. Finally, our gig has been created. But the question is that, where to find it? Here's the answer. Just give it a few seconds, and it will display what we need to see. There it is. This is the gig that we just created. Now, let's see the preview of our gig. Good for us, that we finally found our gig. But what if we wanted to see its preview? The good news is that, we are already halfway there. As you can see, here's the complete description of the 3 packages that we previously created. The characteristics like package name, prices, delivery time, and number of revisions are mentioned here. Here is the preview of our QR codes. As you can see, here is the information about me, that is, the seller. As we scroll down further, we see a detailed comparison among the 3 packages. Finally, we see the search tags that we entered before. So, that was the entire preview of our gig. So, we created QR codes, along with an awesome gig, And all that for free. We did all that to earn some decent cash. But how do we receive our earnings? To know the answer to our question, go to the top left menu, and select the option, Earnings. PayPal is the solution to our problem. PayPal is an online service that allows you to send, as well as receive payments online. All you need to do is to add your bank account to it. Any money that you receive gets stored into your PayPal account and can be used if you pay for something. In addition to this, you can transfer the money to one of your assigned bank account or card. Right now, my PayPal account option is not enabled because there are no earnings to withdraw. There is one more question that needs to be answered. How will Fiverr notify you about any available jobs which are related to your gig? The answer is pretty simple. Every notification will be sent to your email ID associated with your Fiverr account. So, that's all that we had to learn about QR Code Monkey and Fiverr. As I told you in the beginning of the video, I am now going to show you something that you will find very special and useful. And the best part is that it's absolutely free. Here's an opportunity for you to attend a free online training that will teach you to become self-employed online. But this training is not for those who are looking for shortcuts. You should be willing to learn something new and work hard. So, if you have dreams like quitting your job one day and taking the control of your life into your own hands, then this is a great learning opportunity for you. Be sure to book your free seat as soon as possible to attend the nearest upcoming training session. The link to the free training is given in the description. I thank you for watching my video. If you liked my work, please subscribe to my channel, and like and share this video as much as you can. Also, remember to click the bell icon, so that you get notified whenever I produce a new video. I will be bringing more great content for you guys. Until then, goodbye. Keep smiling.